Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Drives where we explore the latest in compact living, travel gear, and all things adventurous on three wheels. If you love life on the road, tiny campers, and futuristic rides, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss a ride into the future of mobile living. Today, we're diving into something that has truly taken innovation to a new level, the 2026 RV Trike Camper. This isn't just a concept or a prototype anymore. It's real, it's out, and it's changing the way we think about minimalist travel. If you thought RVs were only for big rigs and cross-country buses, think again. This three-wheeled microcamper blends the freedom of a motorcycle with the comfort of a tiny home, all in one futuristic package. So, let's start with what it actually is. The RV Trike Camper is essentially an electric or hybrid trike that's a three-wheeled motorbike-style vehicle that's been custom-built or factory manufactured to tow or include a fully integrated microcamper unit. In 2026, several companies have embraced the challenge of building compact, self-contained campers that don't need a truck or van to haul them. Instead, they've designed something that feels like the ultimate personal escape pod, fully capable of weekend getaways or long-haul travel, all while being lightweight, efficient, and surprisingly cozy. The first thing that stands out is the design. Most of the 2026 models are made with aerodynamic lines, solar panel integration, and modular interiors that feel more like a sci-fi pod than a traditional camper. One of the most talked about designs features a teardrop-style rear cabin that opens up on both sides, allowing for ventilation, cooking, and even sleeping under the stars with bug netting in place. The trike itself is sleek, with a low center of gravity and excellent torque thanks to its electric drivetrain. Many riders report an incredibly smooth and quiet experience, even on longer drives. But don't let the small size fool you. These trike campers are loaded with functionality. Inside, you'll typically find a fold-out bed that doubles as seating, a mini kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a built-in fridge, and water storage for both drinking and gray water. Most have USB charging ports, LED lighting, and even a small monitor for entertainment or remote work. Some higher-end models even include a pop-up roof or slide-out section to give you that little bit of extra room when you're parked. One of the biggest advantages is mobility. Traditional RVs can be tough to maneuver, park, and maintain. But with the Trike Camper, you're getting something that fits in a standard parking spot, navigates through narrow roads with ease, and sips power instead of guzzling gas. And for those interested in sustainability, most models come with solar panels that can power everything inside, including the trike itself if it's a full EV. You can literally recharge while you're chilling at your campsite. Now let's talk storage. With such a small footprint, you might be wondering where you put all your gear. Well, that's where smart design comes in. The 2026 models are all about modularity. Underseat storage compartments, rooftop cargo boxes, and even magnetic attach gear pods make it easy to bring what you need without feeling cramped. You won't be packing like you're moving into a condo, but for minimalists and weekend explorers, it's more than enough. One cool feature some models offer is climate control. Using a combination of passive insulation and compact air circulation systems, these trike campers can actually stay comfortable in a variety of temperatures. It's not the same as having a full HVAC system, but it keeps things pleasant for sleeping and relaxing, especially when you combine it with good natural ventilation and some reflective materials to keep heat out. Another thing that's really catching on is connectivity. Many 2026 trike campers are equipped with Wi-Fi extenders and 5G boosters, letting you stay online even when you're miles from the city. This is a huge bonus for digital nomads who want to work while exploring remote trails and national parks. If you're wondering about safety and roadworthiness, most trike campers meet the same basic standards as motorcycles or motor trikes, and their camper modules are certified for towability or vehicle integration, depending on the design. Some even include small solar-powered security cameras or GPS trackers for peace of mind. The weight distribution is finely tuned, making them stable even when driving at higher speeds or in moderate crosswinds. As for price, the 2026 Trike Camper scene is starting to diversify. Entry-level models are surprisingly affordable, coming in just under $12,000, while higher-end luxury setups with advanced tech and expanded living features can go upwards of $25,000. Compared to a full-size RV, though, it's still a bargain, especially if you're a solo traveler or couple looking for a simpler way to get on the road without going into serious debt. What's also amazing is the community that's forming around these trike campers. Social media is full of groups, events, and meetups where owners share their mods, trip stories, and campsite reviews. It's a new way of thinking about RV culture, one that emphasizes freedom, minimalism, and connection, both to the road and to each other. In a world that's craving both sustainability and adventure, the RV Trike Camper just makes sense. It's not about having more space, it's about making better use of the space you have. Whether you're exploring coastlines, parking at a music festival, or finding your own little corner of the world to watch the sunrise, this microcamper brings a level of independence and excitement that's hard to beat. So, what do you think? Could the RV Trike Camper be your next big lifestyle shift? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear if you take one of these out on the road, or if you already have. And don't forget to hit that like button if this video got you dreaming about your next tiny adventure. That's it for today's ride into the future of travel. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you want more content like this, from gear reviews to tiny living ideas, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the spirit of adventure alive. Catch you in the next one.